Questions, ask right away because I want you to get the most out of this. So the first position we work is your 2-on-1 inside. That's that one. The next one is 2-on-1 outside. Because sometimes when you have, like when you're sparring in Taekwondo, you can't say, I'm only going to stand on this side. Sometimes you have to switch. So the same thing happens here. You cannot say, I'm only going to have this side for it. You can't, because his situation or your situation dictates what you do. So let's say I stop this one. When I stop his shoulder, there, now I'm going to pull him outside and go here. So what I do is this. I stop the blade there. What I do is now I grab 2 hands and I swing it this way. Don't do this because you'll cut your stomach open. Stop the blade and pull it out. And notice how his weight goes here. So I stop and I pull. So now his weight is here. From here, I ram my shoulder into him and I get this 2-on-1 outside. Alright? It's very important that you stop the first momentum. There. Now you can do your switch. So you do stop this one, you switch, run in.
When you do the second part, it feels like a shoulder stop from football or something. He's tackling into it.
Yeah. Your shoulders should kind of hurt after class. Then it's ready. So again, top the shoulder, 2 hands on the wrist and pull it this way. Don't hold it here, because when you pull it, if you hold it here, there's no weight going this way. So when I stand there, you can bend his arm, that would cut me. When I stop the shoulder, so his weight is going this way, and there's nothing stopping me from going in. Okay? And notice, keep your leg on the outside. Don't go in front. How many has done judo, jiu-jitsu? Fall. Okay? So again, stop there. You go in and control this. You see how it's working it? You need to push this guy there so you can control. Okay? I know. What happens when you process the other hand? We'll take that later.
Okay, stadigvæk stop så. Okay. Okay, så det skal jeg først efter. Så jeg stopper på samme måde før, og så trækker jeg den. Okay.
Den der. Træk den.
Okay, så man stopper okay. Okay, så man stopper på åben siden, og så skifter man ligesom fra. Okay, super nu, ja.
Alright, a little tip. When you stop the blade here, right, and you pull out, when you shoot in, make sure you grab it here, just like this. Don't hide yourself, and for God's sake, don't put your shoulder forward, like this. You want to do this, and send them a circle this way. Notice what happens. If I send you there, now we're going to have this kind of fight. You don't want to send him in front of you, because I don't want to send this bad guy here. Now we're fighting. So when you stop him there, pull out, here. So when you send him, shoulder that. If you send your arm out the table, we'll go this way. When he goes this way, now I have the blade there. Now this is even worse than before. Get it? So don't create those negative spin. Control, sit here. Which one do you want to see first? The nasty one or the okay one? Okay, that's one. Shoulder stop this way. Pull and you go in. Okay? So number 1. Here. Alright, so remember, don't start the negative spin. That means you don't send him this way, you don't send him that way. You keep him right here. There was a question about what you do, right? You don't go, nah, 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 nah. You can't do anything. No, no. It's just a little control so you can do your stuff. So number 1, when I do this, right, I can usually feel where his head is. If I look like that and I don't see his head, that means his head is like that. It's like that, right? So what you do is this. You take this arm and you disengage from the, you take this arm here and you let go. When you let go, look, you slide it up here. You hit his jaw. As you hit his jaw, there's your first headbutt. Then you can run. Usually that's enough to drop the blade. But I'm going to give you the whole package so you can do it. So in your self-defense, you only do enough that he drops the blade. I know there's maybe some police here, so it's a really bad situation, right? So you do all of it. So number 1, you get him here, you disengage, and you pop the jaw this way. Use it enough for him to bite. So when we do, we have mouthpiece. You headbutt there. Then you cross your headbutt across the face. Now you can elbow the neck or whatever, but as you do this, you need a groin. There. And now you run. That's enough to grab the weight. I can see a lot of critical faces. How many here have kids? Okay? How many here have been kicked in the balls? When you get kicked in the balls, do you ever do this? You do this, yes? So, when you go here, you stop, you go in, you pop this one up first, boom. You go your head right across the face, just enough to cut him, or just enough for his focus to go away from here. As you go there, you need a groin, and then that's usually enough. If not, you continue. Alright? So, one, this, that, is right after. It's one beat. It's not one and two. It's pow, and then knee, and over.
What if you take his groins from your mount?
Sorry?
What if you take his groins from the mount? So you're holding him.
From the control?
Yeah.
You can do that too. You can either just go straight in here. Sorry. If his balls is in line, into the balls. If his leg is here, you need this one. But guess what? When you hit it, it's like a switch watch. When I do this, he pulls away his knee. Oh, boom, right.